Good evening and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Selbet. This is a channel I go so damasi or dosron kwa mochre maya no period where we talk about some Tikoroko news here on this particular channel. It's all about some Tikoroko news. Na ene news I do na wa ha yede ebremo strictly Asante Kotoko. But I have another account where we talk about other Ghana Premier League teams, we talk about foreign football and other sports news or football news. So you can subscribe to that particular channel. Channel needing a SOTV. Now I'm a space, now the football also. You can go and subscribe to that channel. Yes, I'm already there. I don't form for don't go do na subscribe. Now more enjoy other content. Yeah, they bring on that particular platform. I'm buying MIT money. Now, the question of the day is very simple. Former Asante Kotoko coach Ayefreno Bashir Hayford, Coach Bashir Hayford, Basholistic. He won the Ghana Premier League with Asante Kotoko, don't forget that. Now Bash and now Odin Sembia Tuja O2 Asante Kotoko Chita for Asante Kotoko Kuno Efo. Meaning central focus and say Oshe Kotoko has at the moment they are not in a good position in the Ghana Premier League. Asante Kotoko at the 11th with 27 points out of that 12. Now and among focus say eba sign na Nations FC, Samates and Swatrema and other clubs need take you over from Asante Kotoko, and even in the league competition, you must almost moment edi kind. Then my coach Bashir Hayford ya to just say the kind of treatment I would do a so other venues. How are these clubs now other venues or mama grounds no are intimidating? Trese wokoha na ato any wunyame no. Ama omuhwa yehu momo pick the maximum points at these places. So if Asante Kotoko and had to folk Epese Omosamba back Nomuji Liga, they need their own venues and our stadium, not the Babaya Sports Stadium. I honor untimi nyewe dwuma se ne opeso ye no in terms of operation work. Not the Accra Sports Stadium, but their own places are almost betimi amahwa yehu because or has their tone will be chim na. These clubs will be picking their points. Home. So me ye kakra bi so so we are they are done. But Kumasi and Accra Sports Stadium no a open place. So if Haas and Kotoko want to win the league, or Kotoko want to win the league, they need their own venue. Now, I might make good use of the home advantage. Now, let me say, what is your take on that particular story? Do you think, say, the lack of intimidating air atmosphere any Babaya and Accra Sports Stadium, I say, awaiting the bar? Or you're comfortable to me fenny pemu or security, national security, be and I mean now honor. And no, dear Bakwan, Amana Diamana, you can drop your comment on this particular story. Now you're getting interactive. What is your take? Do we need stadium? Our own one where we control security, we determine what happens, access to places. Got corporations team need to just say. The entire Kotoko to me show Baba and say, Nya Kotoko ne bo stadium no ho ban. Nse Kotoko nsa, nsafwa na lead to pono no eni Kotoko nsem. Nti obi no bebo na nani bre emasika ewura baby ese fata se ewura. Obetimi akopa ak ne so akoye ne nneoma. And these are all kind of conversations that are pop up when it comes to a lack of control over the Barbara Sports Stadium and Accra Sports Stadium. So what is your take on that? Drop your comment. Now you get interactive. Yeah, but see, I need the stories no about the song. All right, Jensen Seminase. Now the good news is that last week, two Asante Kotoko players, me make team of the week. Last 2 weeks, and Enoch Morrison after Oji man of the match in Kotoko game on boy against Samates. He was voted the best player of the game. And for player of the weeks, and our team of the week, Enoch Morrison to me and now what checking your man. Now a Kobe 6 game, now Asante Kotoko player. The last player was a year Abranti friend Justice Blake. Now week 19. To hear from week 19 nearby against Gold Stars or the best player or make it team of the week. Now here bar from that time now the about do a year week 27 and now week 26 now Fina Morrison a bar. Let's just say Nyoma a club to Asante Kotoko players. This week week 27 two Kotoko players in Frederick Asare goalkeeper. One J MVP there, Bukwala so and J MVP. But it looks like the selection committee any saw a Maranti and a modern bono. And when they say a quanya Asare, it make saves in the goalpost for Asante Kotoko Esweni. He was solid. Actually, say the modern bono prevented Midiama from picking the 3 maximum points. At the same time, Mukwala Sono Ediaba be Piemu as a year forward. Go I was say critical man now so Pejana Betty Pem and the two atenemono. I saw the selection committee name. I'm a 2 Kotoko players said to me, I'm making the team of the week. That is one good news if you are back. Mede Emma never caught training grounds of Asante Kotoko. Dalat Ibrahim. Now the last time that was on Tuesday. But the two men said Dalat a light training. The good news is that Dalat has started full training. Team na a dinner park no so the chair mranti anymore. Na omo bobo no Dalat Ibrahim so eka ho a chair no so enye bi boy na oda pom in another team. And that is a story from Asante Kotoko training grounds. Lamte the MSU Oba, it comes to the training. Na light training ni adeno. Egusua omo monitor no. Na omehu de beye when it comes to a year Richmond Lamte. Now, story we die a year story edamenim dada. On nana benyini amoa oye player Kotoko kofa no a free Vipers. Na in 7 nyina na say Asante Kotoko one coach I friend Ogum down for baako pa one no corner ekrana branch friend Asante Foku. We all know this. Na story na ba na kire say Nana Benyini Amoa left back ema Asante Kotoko Asante Foku and manager out in ba Kotoko. And this is a serious issue. Now, about for talking about conflict of interest near there. But I don't need to speak to Asante Foku to get to this news because we have ways of getting my news. And I can confirm it to you from 3 different camps. Say Asante Foku Husun Unima Sem no Hoshe. Recently me Foku Kradie and I'm Ogum fire Nintino. But no seminar DB a TNM me the 2 amount. If he is, I'll come and talk about it. But from my sources, I've been told, say, Unimoshe, and you know, and a sign no. Asante Foku manage Brighter J. We share Brighter J trips, how do I, Asante Foku no. But from what I was told, time a Brighter J free Tanzania bano. That time, when I Ogum Asante Kotoko, name and Yadia, a branch here in Pono. Say Mkofa and Simpi, say coach not down for the player bench, one fana Kotoko, no Quebiana. Until the Nana Benin story, he was represented while signing the contract on time when Kotoko signed the contract by a different person. And based on his documentation, Kakra Ababi PM Sano, of which I can say, people close to Asante Foku and also close to Ogum, with enough evidence to convince me. My credibility out to Sonia say Asante Foku enim Nana Benyini onye the manager. Tibia onim ne sign ni humpa enye ono na ndin as the manager. Enye ono ene buy a representative player no mame emphasize story no so emma quick meba Kotoko recruitment team no so na madomo suko ye di amount the remaining matches of Asante Kotoko Kotoko based on news bano na nke kwesiada na se Kotoko and come against a year team of Legon Cities unconfirmed report say betimi command the gusu the story na chi but Kotoko Legon Cities then they will play against Brekum Chelsea play against Heart to Folk Accra Great Olympics Legon Cities your home Brekum Chelsea your away Heart to Folk your home Olympics your home RTU your away and Bofo Akwatano eso your home no and at the National Circles Council me catch us and now what you we one more than share ho to obeba aba be gu akwan mu atrechre nsemu e de ama Asante Kotoko achitafo na no na me nkomodi ani ese omo alanche operation 16 points out of the remaining 18 operation unbeaten for Kumasi Asante Kotoko chana a eye fiada no obeti ehun popoye pi e won fidie mu where they will come out and boldly make it clear and demand the necessary support ebetimi abo amomanya this particular achievement and also the different operation 16 points almost say matches in sien eda Kumasi Asante Kotoko anim no omanya brese ehun hia say Asante Kotoko benya even a draw there was should be one draw out of these 6 matches enti Kotoko bebo Legon Cities home ni nyina no esese eye nkunindie Legon Cities omo pe home Chelsea omo west should be a draw na Heart to Folk home win Olympics home win RTU omo se omo kwa akoka RTU egu relegation bonkan enti omo kwa akose RTU ho na omo de Bofo Akwatano aba be da supporters na say na omowie season no ewo a good note and that is the new target ababe PM which is being led by Opanyina your friend Christopher Damenya ono the National Circles Council Chairman edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko Asante region for no eso edi akire den inti if you channel call there will be interviews with studio ha where you be do so assembly ye na monya munchiremu ese na efata from the training grounds of Asante Kotoko and also from the youth team boko bia de din nyame adom ochena wo mu wia mrantie no sunsan de board hono ba kuku bibia ese fata into youth team no sone soba 25 ne be ye adwuma ama mrantie no be hu omo ka enu omo team no age omo kwan enye no pe from what I was told you will be making the grade but the team will still monitor the player and also sorry flow but finances for the youth team clearance I go through inti no omo scouting na sika a bit young for them to get the players the respective clubs are players no one so no ehon hyehyeye has been sorted and also no ometie si form na omaye ho adwuma na achese wo mo akwakofa mrantie no clubs ahodo a omusia kan na omababaye the property of Kumasi Asante Kotoko recruitment maka this is the 3rd time I'm this story neighbor hit the ground running and Coach Ogum will be making a lot of presentations. For now Ogum is staying but my mania story in the prep or the mania start. For now, Cortes that is huge in the affairs of Kotoko. As a coach, Ogum is the youth team no on say omunyina coaches recommended by Ogum, Wilson Asare and Imore Ibrahim. Na adie ba ko na ama youth team na ho keka no gina fa ko ne say na head coach no ho won sensem nti se otna na ebeye den say moving forward no na the head coach is not the one that's almost sotra. The youth team for us, there's almost tana. Into job, who job in our pine. In team penny for her, say, young man, Brenna, young son, years old, waiting at 10 things around. And the powers that be are impressed with the recent performance of Kotoko. And they want to streamline things. I'm going to say, from so be by. The sound from so in an omo into recruitment and coach ye jano no kwaye and yenu but there will be a body, a technical member on the board plus other management will engage the coach extensively for him to justify why akwesi brobembra na ya we champion ko enunti ena be ka kire mo se Kotoko mrantie no league matches na ye bono omonkan ni se emu bi ebo justify. There is a committee that is observing them to know their performance. Send a coach you know they exit players bar. They will work hand in hand based on their almost pennyful in so many boom na head. And some of just amrantie no kwan. Inti yanko to say ko now it will be determined by just the head coach. Inti measures are being put in place, but for now, the staying of Ogum grow and opa ewie and unless say if you no aka season na be ewie omo pam no, but with senior nyoma ekono to aso sa Ogum will stay at Asante Kotoko. This and many more. And you're the Bremont for occupying stand. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.